So hello everyone, in this video we will start with the download and installation process with the Visual Studio Code. So for that again we will go to our Google Chrome and we will type Visual Studio Code, and let's go on to this Visual Studio Code, the official site, and download Visual Studio Code for Windows. If you are using any other machine like Mac or Linux or some any other platform, the download procedure is absolutely the same, and the installation procedure is also almost the same. The next and install. So don't worry about that. Just follow the same steps if you are onto some other platform as well. So Visual Studio Code is downloading. Again, to save some time, I have already downloaded it, and let's run the setup file, or let's run the exe file that you will get after the download thing. And here I agree the agreement, and I will recommend you to read these things once at least, and if not, you can agree the agreement and click on the next. Now this is asking for the path where you want to save your Visual Studio Code files. So either you can give a custom path of your choice, otherwise you can stay with the default path. And let's click on next. Here let's create a desktop icon and then create next and install. So again, depending upon the speed of your machine, it will take a few minutes, and once the installation is done, we will check whether it was installed successfully or not, or whether it is working absolutely fine or not. So we are almost done with the installation thing, and yes, finish, and let's launch our Visual Studio Code. So this will start directly our Visual Studio Code, that is our code editor. So first let's create a folder on our desktop and name it Python 3, and let's open it with Visual Studio Code. So now let's create a file testing.py, and again when we will save a Python file, so as a text file is saved with the .txt extension, or an Excel file is saved with .xls extension, similarly the Python file is saved with .py extension. Now here it is asking us to install a few extensions, so let's do it. Install. So this will install the extension that is required for the Python. So it will take a few minutes, so let's wait until it's done. So once it is done and we are ready with our code editor and our file testing.py, so let's test whether Python is working fine or not. So here we will use a function that is a print function, and we will write something in it, and that will be printed onto our terminal on the console screen. So right now just follow the steps, and we in the upcoming videos we will see that what is the print function and how it works. So right now, just for the testing purpose, just follow the steps and write print. So let's write print, and in parentheses let's write hi, and just click on this play button, that is the run button. So it will run the code, and here we can see hi. So hi was printed, and thus our code editor, that is Visual Studio Code, is working absolutely fine for our projects. So let's go ahead and install PyCharm in the next video.